I just pulled these rails off for the gentleman. I'm gonna refinish the tub, reverse that rust, of course, get all this stuff off of here, and get him a new silicone caulk line around there. And I'm gonna go ahead and, of course, patch these holes where the screws were in there, so no water gets back behind there. And so there is tub number 1, and I'm gonna show you tub number 2. Same thing, I pulled this railing off for him. If they're not put on there with construction adhesive, they don't take me 5 minutes to get off of there. Just pull the screws out and then pry everything off. The other tub, you can tell, is gonna need some more work done up underneath there, but you can see like the remnants of the little lizard or whatever there. Stuff gets up underneath these railings, and mildew, mold, stuff like that. You'll get some pretty bad odors coming from that. So I'm so glad to see he's going to pull this down, or pull the railings down, get a nice true refinish on the bathtub. I'll reverse that rust around that drain and everything, and I'll actually buff the drain out so it'll look a lot better for him. And anyway, but yeah, those rails, they hold. You can see some mildew here, and then like on that other tub, it was mildewed. But anyway, I will update whenever I get everything taken care of.